Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings, then tap here to the screen recorder section and scroll a little bit down. Here you'll see the show touch gestures, show button taps. So we just to activate this feature, we should click here on the switchers by this way. And if you want to turn off, just click here once again on the switcher. And also we have second way how we can activate or turn off the screen touches. So we just should go here into the top bar and somewhere find the screen recorder icon. Now just to activate the screen, to launch screen recorder settings, we should hold for a while this icon and we'll open again the screen recorder settings, and after that just to show screen touches, so we should use these buttons here. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.